Just wanted to show you a small thing with my crazy cat. Yeah, I'm trying to eat apricots. As you can see, they're not exactly, you know, cat things, you know, apricots. But look, she's trying to steal them. Look, it's like, it's an apricot! I knew she was trying to steal my cashews. It's an apricot! Look, see? A little paw. Maybe if I like chop it in half, you can try a bit. No, wait. I said wait! That is not waiting. You don't want an apricot. Alright, maybe you do want an apricot. It's a piece of fruit! Oh great, just you leave a chewed up apricot on the keyboard then. Don't want it so much now, do you? I gave you a bit! Look, it's there! It's chewed up on the keyboard. Look, Skylight. Look, it's there. Look. Eat that bit. I can't say she's disobedient. She ate it. I have a cat that eats apricots. Weirdo. It's there! Oh yeah, now you won't eat it. Now the camera's on you. Come on. She eats rice. Earlier she ate a cashew nut, now she's eating apricots. What a weirdo. Probably not any good for you. Bloody hell. Freak. Yum.